we will study about calculator. Okay, so here a calculator is a very small electronic device. Just look over here, children. This is our calculator. Okay, it is very useful for the calculation. Okay, for doing math. Okay, for students, for office worker. Okay, we can do many types of calculation on it. A calculator has a small screen. Just look over the screen, children, how small, this much only it can display. Okay, the numbers and the alphabets, okay, numbers and the letter ABCD alphabets are displayed on it. Yes, okay, look, these numbers and the alphabets, it shows the small screen. Okay, we can use this device wherever we require because it is so small. It's very good device. Why? Because it is a portable. We can take it to anywhere along with us. Okay, we can carry the calculator in our pocket. As I told you, it is a small in size, so it can cover less space. So that's why it is a portable and good for us. That is. Now a calculator has number keys. Okay, like 0 to 9. From 0 to 9 and arithmetic operator keys like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, even the root sign also is there. Using these keys we can do different calculation, isn't it? The results will be displayed on the tiny screen. Okay, in this screen, very small screen. Okay, nowadays some special calculators have alphabet key too. Okay, nowadays the our calculator is available with the alphabets. Okay, using these we can feed formula. Okay, formula like what? Sin theta, cos theta is there, no? And even it is useful for collective property. Okay, distributive property. These formulas can easily feed in this type of calculator. You will study, children, this distributive property or collective property in the higher grades. Okay, the formulas also. But a calculator has very small amount of storage space. Okay, because it is small in size, so it cannot store more. Okay, we cannot store large amount of data in the calculator. Okay, how we can store in the computer? So many thousands of programs, but here we can't. A calculator is used for doing calculation. Okay, it cannot work on computer language. Like how computer language is a binary language, no? Like this, it is not work. It is just for calculating. Okay, we cannot write a program in a calculator like how we are writing C++, C and Java. Like this program we cannot store here, we cannot write here also because it is in small size, so we cannot store large amount of data here. We can store small procedures only. Okay, like formulas, calculations. Okay, which is easy for requirement. Hence we cannot create animations in a calculator. Okay, whereas we can create animation in a computer. Yes, you can do it animation like flying birds, many things is there. If you start to play in the computer, you can know how many animations. It's enjoyable. If you do once in a computer, you want to do more. It's very easy and attractive, at the same time enjoyable also for the children, which can do calculate also. Okay, in the computer we can do the calculate, animations, programmings, many things we can do it in the computer, but we cannot do such things in the calculator because it is small, okay, in size. I hope you would have understood about the calculator. There are many formulas is there. What is the different types that you will study in higher grades. Okay.